Okay, so we have been doing plus and minus negative numbers every day for a little while now. Okay, and you might be wondering, all right, well, when is this going to actually apply to real life? And I am going to tell you, today is the day when we start doing word problems, and you're going to see we got negative numbers all around us. So, one way we can have um, positive or negative amount of something is with money. Actually, you can have negative money if you owe someone money but you don't have any to pay them. That's called being in debt, and you don't want to be in debt. So another couple of words you need to know for money are deposit and withdraw. Now, if you are depositing something into the bank, you are increasing the amount of money in the bank. So you're putting money in the bank for later that you can withdraw later. Withdrawing money, you're going to subtract money from the bank account. That means you're taking money out. Now, sometimes they will let you overdraw, which means you're actually taking more money out than what's in the bank. So they'll let you do that because the bank has a lot of money and they can trust you to pay them back later. So if Bob starts off with $5 in his bank and then he withdraws $2, then he deposits $1 and withdraws $9, we can just use the number line just like we're used to figure out that answer. So we have 5, and then we are subtracting, so we're going to the left, then adding, we're going to the right, and subtracting again. Now we're going down 9, so he actually has negative $5. He needs to pay the bank back $5 before he can really say he has any money of his own. So you will sometimes see a number line like this, and it is very similar to what we have here. It's just flipped on its side. So one situation like that is with temperature. Now you're in Chicago or around Chicago, so you know we can go below 0, and we do it quite a bit in the winter. So 0 on the thermometer might be around here, and then it starts going into negative right here. So if it is 5 degrees, let's not start with 5 again. I've already done that a couple times. Let's start with it's 3 degrees outside, and at noon it raises to 2 degrees up, and at 3 o'clock it's gonna drop 6 degrees, and then at 8 o'clock it's gonna drop 1 degree. So we're just gonna think like this is a number line flipped on its side. With positive number, we're going up, or it would be to the right. We have another positive. We're actually going up to an imaginary 5 up here, and then we're going down 6, and then down 1 more, ending up at it's negative 2 degrees at like 9 p.m. Okay, so the other situation you should know is with the sea level. So ascending and descending. What happens is when you ascend, you are going up, and when you descend, you are going down. You're going down for descending. Descending into the depths of the sea. You're diving. A lot of these words start with D. They mean going down. Denominator is the one on the bottom. So if a submarine, let's say it's a very square submarine, it starts at sea level, which is 0, and then now it's going to go down 2 feet to here, and it's going to ascend 1 foot straight up to negative 1 feet above sea level. Then it's going to descend 2 more feet to negative 3 above sea level, or 3 below sea level.